to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that come to the profile section, and over here you will be able to see the option called edit profile. Just simply tap on it, and as you can see that there are different options that you can fill. For example, your name, username, your bio, link, everything. Instagram basically provides everyone with 150 characters to add into their bio. But if you want to add more than 150 characters, so as you can see that I have added approximately 150 word of my bio. And if you want to add more things in your bio, just click on this link section, and you can add external link. And what you can do is you can attach a document file in your link section where you can add extra information about your channel to let your audience know about your work and things that you are doing on your profile. You can do that. You can also add your WhatsApp, Instagram, WhatsApp link over here. And in the name section, you can also add a little bit of hook to your profile, or something that really resonate with your profile and the work that you do, or the kind of content that you create on your Instagram account. So that's how basically these are the few tweaks that through which you can exceed your 150 character limit on your Instagram bio. So these are the few tips and tricks that you can use. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please consider liking the video and also subscribe to the channel.